and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this dramatic AF halo eye. If you're not a fan of full glam, then this might not be for you. To my channel, then hey, what's up? My name is Joel. I hope you guys really like this video, and until my next video, guys, I will see you all then. Guys, so starting off, I have already primed my eye, and I just used my concealer, and I just set that with a translucent powder. It's totally up to you. You don't have to do it. I just find it works really well for my eyes and how I apply my shadows. I am going to try and keep it as affordable as possible, just so you guys can, you know. So for eyes today, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop times Kathleen Lights. I am so in love with this palette. I have just fallen in love with it, and that's what I've used to create most of this eye look, but the glitter and the glitter liner, which is obviously the main event. I'm going to be going in and using on the lid, which is the shade Moony, which is a nice burgundy, deep burgundy. So I'm going to apply this all over my lid as that deep dark color, so when we come in and do the spotlight crease, it kind of creates an amazing gradient. Now I did use a little bit of blue and green for this as well, because I've been loving that on the eyes. It felt good to actually sit down and do an actual tutorial. A lot of like personal vids, which is great, but I wanted to get back on here and show you guys a makeup tutorial, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something so glam. I feel like I haven't done one in ages, even though I always do glam looks, but I did like a soft glam for New Year's, then I did like my natural makeup, so I'm like, oh my god girl, I need some glitter liner. I got some new products to try out, because this is what I use. I don't really necessarily have hooded lids, I've just got like a really protruding brow bone, and I really don't like it, to be honest. I've actually thought about even having surgery to like make my brow bone less prominent. Shaved down, because I'm really sick of it when I have to do makeup. Like, I would love to just do a halo look and look like Nikki tutorials where you can actually see everything. Gonna look messy for most of the tutorial until we get towards the end. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone and your amazing comments and like all the stuff you guys have been saying on my videos and like on my Instagram. It's made me so motivated, guys. Like, I have so many amazing videos coming. Go back and forth and blend this out. How do I get my shadows to be so pigmented, and like, what do? I always just, with my black, I pack it on. Obviously, if you're doing like, don't go in with just straight black if you haven't laid down any eyeshadow. I don't recommend that. But if you've laid down like a warm shade or like a crease shade, or you know, like a transition, I go in and pack the color on, and to really pack on the color, as you can see, and then it becomes like this rich smoky eye, and I just lightly start blending out the edges. It's easier to blend and it doesn't look as like patchy. But if you were to go in with straight black with no transition color down, that's when you're going to look like a raccoon. Okay, and that's what you do not want. Make sure you put down a shade so you can come in and add depth and blend out that depth without it looking muddy or like a raccoon. So I've been really liking the Kylie Cosmetics concealer to cut out my lid area. Use this on a concealer brush, which you guys will see, and I will start to cut out my lid. And just kind of start blending that shade. Oh my god, I just got it on my nose. It does take a little bit of time, but you just need to be patient. I'm going to be using MAC Reflex Gold, and then I'm going to come in and add a glitter line with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Grind, which has kind of like a pink iridescent to it. I'm going to be using the Matte and Poreless Foundation. I'm going to colorette that stuff. It's just so hot, and I have been applying makeup like every single... Oh, I just got makeup on my hair. I've been applying like makeup every single day filming. I actually take my Real Techniques sponge instead of my beauty blender today. You guys know how much I love the Maybelline foundation. It beats most of my high-end ones. I'm going to go in and highlight with the Kylie Concealer in Shell. I can make myself like them, or if I can apply them differently. So I've been testing them out as much as I can. Which is a new brush I've been loving to set underneath my eyes with. The rest of my face to bronze, I'm going to be using the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Kit in the shade Medium Tan. Blowing out my cheeks. I've really liked using like a bigger brush to create more of like a bronze look and not so chiseled, because, you know, chiseling my face makes me look more manly because I already have such a strong face structure. I'm going to be going in with the highlight of Peach Pearl, which is absolutely my favorite highlighter in the world. I go in now with my highlight brush, which is just from Morphe, and I'm just going to apply this right on the tops of my cheekbones. Hey guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop my lashes on. Today I'm using the Lily Galici lashes in the style Mykonos for that extra glam, and then I'll be... Alrighty guys, so I just finished off putting on my lashes and I decided to do my lip off camera just because it's so much easier. But the lip I did use was the Colourpop Liquid Matte in Shorty, which is one of my new favorite nudes. Absolutely love it. And then to get the highlight in the middle, I just use Jeffree Star's Mannequin, and then I finished off the eyes. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this glam as fuck basically makeup tutorial. Oh my god, my hair. But I really had so much fun doing this video. I love just playing with it. I love doing the glitter. I love everything about it. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure you give me a like. My dog is going crazy because I haven't fed her and she's like, Dad, I need dinner. Like, you brought me to the studio. What are you doing? She's getting so stroppy. She's like, if you don't feed me, I'm gonna fucking tear up your shit, right? So I hope you guys really like this video, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.